I bought this old farm tractor. I got 10 acres here, so I needed something to go ahead and grade my road and mow with and stuff. So I got a pretty good deal on this. It's a Ford 801. Got a nice little box blade with it, and it's a pretty nice old tractor. I'm an old tractor mechanic anyway, and this is like what I've worked on before, what I always used to work on, and it's in pretty nice shape. Got a little leak on the fuel pump a little bit. That's pretty normal for these old Fords. Well, I've sprayed it all down. It's evidently been sitting out for a little while. I'm told that once upon a time, like 12 years ago, this was a show tractor, and they used to take it in different, antique tractor parades and stuff. And so somebody did care for it a little bit, but it's been a little bit neglected over the past few years. Hasn't had much love. So I'm fixing to pressure wash it and get some of that gunk you see there, some of that mold and stuff off of it. Some right there, and it's kind of all over. I sprayed it down already to help the process, and it's stuff I've used before. It's that cleaner from Dollar General with a little bit of bleach in it. Awesome. It's awesome cleaner. Awesome with bleach. There's not enough in there to hardly smell, but I'm gonna be washing it down, and we'll see what it looks like. Take you along with me. Well, I expected this to come a little bit more clean than what it did. I guess I mean a lot more clean. So I think next go around, it cleaned it some. Got the heavy stuff off. Next go around, I'm going to go with a scooch more bleach. And by a scooch, I mean like half and half. And I'm gonna bleach it down, and that'll get this is mold on here. This fender come fairly clean. I guess be all for this video. I'm gonna let it dry before I put any more bleach or anything on it. And this little dark stuff that you see here is just some surface rust coming through, and it's to be expected. This old girl's in really good shape though, for being 58 or 59. In real good condition and runs fantastic. Here, I'll start her up for you, let you hear her run. Just purrs like a kitten. Well, there it is. Ford 801 PowerMaster. Thanks for watching Double Trouble Garage. Go ahead and subscribe and follow me, and you can see what I get involved in next time. There'll be more videos about all kind of stuff. I'm always working on something around here. Till then, thank you for watching.